secrets in the night, broken dreams that lost their fight. Shadows crawl where light should be. Love's gone cold just like the sea. Walking roads we've crossed before, footprints fade behind closed doors. Ghosts of laughter haunt my mind, leaving echoes left behind. Tears fall down like summer rain, drowning out the silent pain. You walked out with all my hope, left me hanging on a rope. Memories on dusty shelves, telling tales of empty shells. Promises that couldn't keep, lost forever in the deep. Time will heal the wounds, they say, but the scars are here